So after 14 years, this remote control gave up the ghost. First it broke here, and then these little rubber pads came off, totally unset. I got these for $16. I'll post below. There's all sorts of ways I've seen on the internet on how to program these things, and many of them are way too complicated. In 30 seconds or less, you can program a button to your garage door opener or any other kind of opener. One complaint I've seen about these is that sometimes the batteries die on them. They're coming from China, I know. But you take these 3 screws off, you get to the battery compartment, and then just replace the battery. The battery will last depending on how long it's been sitting on a shelf somewhere. But for so many different reasons, these are better than these. I like the little thing here that slides closed. It's smaller, lighter. I like this metal piece. It's not going to break like this one did. So here we go. Out to the garage, and I'll show you the less than 30 seconds to program a button. So as it turns out, I have 2 garage doors facing the house. The left side will be A, and the right side will be B. Again, people are making this way too complicated. This is all you have to do. Hit that button. 1 second. Hit this. The light will go off, and you're golden. So the next time you hit the button, the garage door goes open. So you don't have to program any of these keys beforehand, all that stuff. Just do this. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. If you're interested in quick home repairs, cosplay, designs of all kinds, check out my channel and please subscribe. Because you never know what quick tip you're going to see.